Hi everyone, this is Buzz from Buzz and Bingo's Moon Circus. I wanted to make a short video to show people how to fold their protective boxes. Every once in a while I'll get a message from somebody letting me know that the flaps in the box keep on popping back open and it won't stay shut on them. This is something that has a really simple fix, so I thought I'd make a video to help everybody out. Now if we take a look at this protective box, you'll see, if my camera ever focuses, these indents that run along the box. These are called fold guides. Companies that manufacture these plastic boxes are very used to making a one-time use plastic box. The fold guides are normally cut very deep, it makes it easy for the plastic box to be folded, but for a long-term use, this isn't a good plan because the first place they're going to crack is right along those fold guides. And this is something I don't want to happen to you guys. Years from now, I want you to still be able to open the box out, take the game out, play the game, and put it back in with no issues. Now, what we're going to do first is I am going to take these flaps and I am going to fold them over just like this and crease them well, and do the same for the other side. I'll crease the flaps, and then what I'll do is just undo them. And what this does is it trains the plastic and helps make it very easy to fold the box. Now what I'm going to do is we'll move to the sides and we'll crease right along these side guides. And instead of having what was a flat piece of plastic, now we have something that's starting to look like a box. I'll usually wait till after I do this to take the protective film off, just so I don't get my fingerprints all over the box. But now what we'll do is we are going to insert the game. And then I will take, if you look for where the seam is on the plastic box, that's where you'll find the start of the protective film. And we can pull our protective film right off the box. And instead of a cloudy protective box, we now have crystal clear plastic underneath there. Now what I will do is fold the flaps over, insert them into the box. And kind of like if you're closing a Ziploc bag, what we'll do is just run our fingers right along that pinch and give it a good crease. You can see without even the game touching the edge of the box, it is all closed. We'll push our game in and do the same for the other side. Run our fingers right along like that, and presto. That game is all nice and sealed without those flaps popping open. And it is that easy. All right, everybody. Well, thank you very much, and everybody have a nice day. Cheers, everybody.